Alright, in this video I'm going to engrave this component here. If there wasn't a part to go in there because maybe the part wasn't ready, you can move on to the next video. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close the doors. Then I'm going to go to the computer and I'm going to press list program. And I want to run program 34, Stirling Engine RRC Engrave. So I'm going to go down, and then this is a critical step. I need to press select program. And you can see now that the star is beside the program I want to run. Then I'm going to press memory. That brings it into memory mode. And then current commands. So now I'm in commands, memory, and this is the program I'm going to run. This is the first time I've run this program, so I'm going to go slow. I'm going to press 5% and single block. Then I'm going to press cycle start to run the program. And again, anything in a comment is, or anything in brackets is a comment. The actual G code are the commands. Now it's running slow because I'm at 5% rapid. Alright, now this program starts right on the most left-hand side of the disk, about halfway up the disk. So that's where this tool should go right at the beginning. And if it goes there, then I will turn it to 100% rapid and take single block off. The other thing is you should see coolant as well. So I'm just pressing cycle start to make sure that it's just moving one block at a time at this point. And if I felt for any reason that it was going to hit the tool before going right above the part, I would just press feed hold, and that would stop the machine from moving. Alright, so this looks like it's in position. I'm going to turn single block off, and I'm going to turn on 100% rapid, and you'll see this message disappear. Alright, and now I'll press cycle start to start the program. Alright, so I'm going to let the program run. This one takes a little bit of time just because it is engraving with a small end mill. And then once this video is, or once the program's done, I will take the part out in the video. Alright, so once the program has ended, and I know it's ended because it's restarted the program here, and the machine is not moving, you're ready to take the part out. So we'll open the doors and we're going to undo all of these screws. So I'll get the container here and the Allen key for these screws. And I'm just going to take off all of them. And then this center one, I'm just gonna move over here and place it into this little hole there. I'll just take my finger and lift up on the plate, and we'll put it over here. And then I'm going to come back, and this is a critical step. I have to put this back in here. And I'm just going to make it snug, but not overly tight. Now it's time to put the tools away. Alright, and as a final step, you can take a clean rag. You can clean off all the coolant. Make sure there's no chips on it, and then you can slide it back into the bag. I like to put the engraved side towards the surface of this bag, and so I just slide it in like that. Alright, so this is ready to go back into the cabinet.